Hi, this is video I'm making for PUBG Bazid. Okay, and she asked me that how can she live stream at Twitch TV. Twitch TV is not very hard to do live stream. You need to have OBS studio at your okay, and this is I'm gonna just verify. Okay, my ID I will get code at my Gmail on another side of window. Okay, I have received, and that is okay. Now I have received, I got it. Now this is the panel you will get. Okay, these are offer, you can skip them. Okay, if you get the this panel, so okay, otherwise I will give you after your confirmation. You will have to confirm your account of the Twitch email from your email address, and after that you will go to setting, stream. In the stream, this is the stream key you will have to collect. After that, in OBS studio, you will have to come, and then in the stream option just select Twitch and just go to over here and just press this Control V. After that you can select your server from here which has the good stream key and nothing else. And when you are connected, so go to over here in advanced and check this. Do not make this connected. There will be the options of Ethernet or Wi-Fi, so you will have to select that by clicking over here, and then your resolution should be like this or whatever. You can make it 40 or 60 fps if your PC or system is really good, and CBR, and this should be the setting for good streaming. And after that, in general, in audio your speaker should be connected by this and this, and nothing have to do. Just press apply and then okay, and everything will be connected. Press the start and your live stream will be started over there. Okay, nothing is very hard. Just this is the tutorial for you. I hope that you will like. Thank you.